আসসালামু আলাইকুম শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো। তো ইংলিশ স্পোকেন বেসিক ইংলিশ স্পোকেন কোর্সের ধারাবাহিক লেসনে আজকে আমরা কিছু ইন্সপাইরেশন নিয়ে কথা বলবো। আসলে আমাদের বাংলাদেশে যে প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে, অনেক আগে থেকেই গোড়া থেকেই যে প্রবলেমটা হয়ে আসছে এখন পর্যন্ত, সেটা হলো যে আসলে হাউ ক্যান উই শেয়ার উইথ হুম, how to share with my friends. There is no environment, there is no friend to talk to him. So this is the great problem. And language is totally based on communication. যদি কমিউনিকেশন না করা যায় তাহলে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডেভেলপ করবে না, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সেন্স গ্রো করবে না। And there are four skills of any language. English is not abnormality of that. There are four skills: listening skill, speaking skill, reading and writing. তো আমাদের এই যে লিসনিং অ্যান্ড স্পিকিং স্কিল, দিস টু স্কিলস আর ইগনোরড ফ্রম আওয়ার হোম, ফ্রম আওয়ার ইনস্টিটিউট, ফ্রম এনিহোয়ার. So we are not getting ourselves fit with this language, although we are trying much with this studying this language anywhere. There are varieties type of books, teachers, coachings, and a lot of large syllabuses we have to cover. We have to set exam, pass difficult exams too. There is cost effective matter also. We have to go to private years after year. But only one thing that we cannot express ourselves in English. Why? How it's happening? We have to understand that language concept or language fluency depends on communication. So we are deprived from communication, only accusing that we have no any company to share with them. So there was no abnormality for me when I was in college level in 1996. At that time, what happened, I am going to share you only for your inspiration. And after listening this, if you follow me, then you will be succeed within very short time, I believe that. And thousands of students got read from this problem after hearing from me, and inspired from me, they practice or followed me, they became fluent. Okay, let's learn what I did. When I entered the college, then I saw some students in the same level. That means in my same classes, they talk to our teachers, and also respond to the teachers in the classroom. Whereas I couldn't understand what the teachers say and what the students are sharing with the teacher, and how to understand, how to share, how to talk and respond. I was very much confused about that matter because I couldn't understand anything. So today is 9th Ramadan is going on, and I am telling about the month of Ramadan. What has happened in my life brought a great change in speaking English or language concept. I am sharing you. But although it was Ramadan, but in 1996, and now today is 2020. So when I saw this condition in the classroom, that some students are responding to the teachers are speaking English in the classroom, deliver his lecture in English, is trying to understand, trying to make understand all the students his lessons very free, spontaneously. But most of the students are silent in the classroom because they are not understanding, and I was among them. So there were two or three students, they could speak, they could respond to the teachers, but I was very confused about my level, as am I the same level of them who are responding to the teachers, whereas I am not understanding anything. I was thinking deeply how to recover from this situation. I contact to teachers what to do and how can I update my condition. Then one of my teachers gave me suggestion to study a book. It's a simple grammar book, but it was written by M.A. Samad. Probably many of my viewers can realize who are at the same age of me and or older than I. So M.A. Samad wrote a grammar book. I collected that book, and in Ramadan, college was closed. Then I started to study some primary rules, grammatical rules, and how to develop my skill. I was thinking about that matter, and at last I took a step, took decision to develop my English position, is English speaking skill. That was very much uh, fruitful to my life, and I think if you follow these rules, you will be also benefited, most benefited. What is that? Actually, in my family, I was in intermediate level, and it was the highest educated person in my family only. So if I talk to English with anyone, no can understand or no can reply me. And there was no company in my village also there with whom I can share my knowledge, share my ideas to develop my English knowledge, speaking ability. Then I took decision that I have to develop my position myself only. So how can I do it? I started from my beginning that I have to develop my skill myself. I won't get anyone to share my knowledge. I won't get any company with whom I can make conversation. So I have to do it myself. How? I took decision that when I need anything, just I will uh, tell my need in English, tell my need in English, then in Bangla to make understand my others that suppose I am hungry and I need food. Then I told uh, mother, I am hungry and I need food. Please give me food now. When I tell in English for my practice, then again tell Bangla so that I can get uh, food from my mother. So I am hungry, please give me food. Then I tell আমাকে খিদা লেগেছে খেতে দাও। সো আমি ইংলিশ বলতাম আমার পার্সোনাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট, ইংলিশ ডেভেলপমেন্ট, আর বাংলা বলতাম যাতে করে আমাকে ভাত দেয়, আমার কথা বুঝতে পারে। সো আমি যদি বাংলা না বলি তাহলে আমাকে ভাত দিবে না, খাওয়াও হবে না, খিদাও মরবে না। সো আমি এটা করতাম, বাংলা বলতাম তাদের বোঝার জন্য, আমার ডিমান্ড আমার ডিমান্ড মেটানোর জন্য, নিড মেটানোর জন্য। আর আমি ইংরেজি বলতাম only for my practice, for my personal development. And anywhere I go through this almost all day long for. So whenever I walk on the way, just I use English. What I am thinking, I am trying to express myself in English at that time. So this is the secret. That's why I continued, and after the Eid vacation, when I returned to college, then I can speak like others, even better than others. Okay, so almost all the students became stumbled, surprised with my development. And at the time I can remember this clearly when many any friend of any of my college friends saw me, then noticed me as Englishman is coming. Okay, so many of my friends criticized me, but I didn't hear anyone. I continued my strategy. What I want to mean is that if you want to be fluent within very short time, then you have to practice yourself. You won't get anyone to share your knowledge. You won't get anyone to enter any English environment in our country. So you have to practice yourself. Just think, imagine anyone, any company before you, he is standing to talking to you. So ask him any question, and also instead of him, you answered yourself. That's why you can commit any conversation, and you can develop your personality, your language skill. This is simple. Otherwise, if you think that you need anyone, so you may not get in your life, so your life will over and you will never be succeed. You never can speak English. Now I want to tell whatever facilities I got is from spoken language. Okay, in 2000, when I appeared in school for a job, teaching job, then I talk to English with the head teacher. So listening my English, he appointed without thinking anything. I started my job there. Then at Savar area there is one of the famous school, BPATC school and college. In 2004, I heard that there is a vacant a part-time teacher. They are going to appoint a part-time English teacher. So I contact to head teacher. But before going there, I took decision that I won't pronounce a single Bangla. Just I'll talk to him in English. At that time, Saurabh sir was head teacher there. Then when I met them, I started as well. May I come in, sir? He allowed me, just and also allow me to sit down. May I have a seat? Okay. Then he allowed me. Then I continued that I have heard that you are going to appoint a part-time English teacher, and if you select me, then I can try my level best to update my students. Okay. When I share my uh, expectation with him like this, then at a point, I told many things. I cannot remember nowadays, but he answered me at last that if you work here from today, you will get payment from today. So it was a very glad news to me. I joined there and continued my service for several months. Then I entered into a MPO job. So there is many things I will share with you step by step. So hope you will get inspired, and if you follow me, that you have to imagine a person before you. He is listening to you. So speak English, and whatever you speak, you must speak whatever you are thinking, you are doing daily your activities. Okay, no need to speak from your grammar, no need to practice any conversation from books. Just you have to practice what you are doing in your daily activities. Okay, and another secret I want to share you now. When you are expressing yourself, what you are thinking, you suppose you want to say something, and in your sentences there are uh, 10 words you need to express your feelings. Okay, but among the 10 words, 7 words, and 3 words is yet unknown. You don't know how to express. So don't worry, don't stumble. Just use Bangla of that 3 words unknown to you. Thus you continue your speaking, and at now among 20 words you spoke 7 words. So after speaking, just search your dictionary, contact to dictionary. Nowadays dictionary is available in any electronic device like phone. So search these 3 words, then complete your 10 words sentence. Okay. Thus you have to continue your speaking, never stumble for only one word unknown to you. This is great problem to our generation who are trying to speak, because when he is trying to speak, when he find when he doesn't find a word, then he cannot continue speaking. So never stop, just what you know is express, and where is your lackings, continue or support with Bangla, no problem. Afterward you will fulfill your all the words you know. If you don't speak, then you may know many words. Suddenly when you try to speak, you cannot find your knowing words. This is the great problem. You, as you have no habit, so this is a habitual matter. You have to build up a habit of speaking English, and you will find all words. Even you can also make up unknown words specification in your speech. Never stop, just go through. Thus you can be fluent very shortly. And I think you will follow me. If you follow me, then you will be succeed within very short time. Just share this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and open the bell icon for new notification of any my new videos. Thus you practice. I have a plan to share my lifetime stories day by day, so that you can learn from these valuable resource I practice, or I am practical with my real life situation. So again, I am requesting you to share this video for others who want to learn English. Hope enjoy this video. নেক্সট ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়ে শেষ করছি। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।